we are a group of the German school in New Delhi, and we came here for the special occasion that we heard that His Holiness still gives audience. We are, of course, fascinated about India, about your country, and of course about all the Tibetan question, but I don't want to go politics. We want to build an awareness for the students what it means for His Holiness to be here in this special country. We also introduce his biography before, and of course they will be aware later on what was the special encountering they had. I mean, it's a blessing itself to meet His Holiness in hand, but what blessing means maybe they will experience later. But the special message is that I think he is for us a messenger of peace. And we have also in our school 37 nations, and we try every day that they understand each other without their national background, without their religious background. And even now in our group is a girl with Muslimic faith, and she in latest time decided to get receiving the blessings of His Holiness. So that is really special, and we are very thankful that the parents are so open-minded, that they trust us as teachers, also our special tour guides who all make this possible. And we of course experience beautiful nature, and this is very special for us all.